Hey guys, welcome back to another video from One Car Boutique. My name is Jesse, and today I have an exciting video for you. We are going to be, well, we're not doing anything really much today. Today I'm just going to a little car meet. I'm going to take you guys with me because there's going to be a lot of exciting cars here. I'm expecting to see a lot of Lambos, a lot of Porsches, a lot of Ferraris, maybe a few Mustangs here and there. A lot of muscle cars in general, but yeah, I'm going to take you with me. So see how that goes, and hope you enjoy it. Okay, hello people again. We've just arrived at Wrap Sanctuary where I'm going to be showing you some of the cool cars. Two cars already arrived, Lamborghini Urus and a McLaren. M4 right there. There's a lot of cars here already. There are a lot of cars here, a couple regular traffic, but I'm waiting for the good stuff, man. I'm waiting for the exclusives. So let's go have a look around though. But yeah, we've got an SF90 and a purple with the yellow accent. 1,000 horsepower car right there. Lamborghini revved in yellow. Stunning, stunning, absolutely stunning. We got a black Storato. Okay, so the plan is I'm not going to do too much talking now. I'm going to wait for all the cars to fill up, and then we're going to go through each car directly. I guess to show you what, so yeah. Isn't a Performante? That's crazy. That is a beautiful colour. Okay, boom. Ying is coming. Let's check the Ying out. Ying. And then double yellow, mate. And one of the coolest spots of today would be this Porsche Dakar with the obviously the Rough Roads livery. Oh, it's a sick car. This is the second, third time I've seen one in person, but yeah. I know, this is a sight you don't see. A lady in a 458, well, two ladies, shout out to them. That's a boss woman right there. Cool guy, I've just spotted something I think is really, really cool, and I'm gonna show you. It's not even part of the show, it just happened to be here at the right time. And, wait, just... This car show is going nuts so far. So basically, Tommy's arrived, revving up his V12 naturally aspirated Revuelto Gentani with the Gentani exhaust. So far, there's a black A12 coming through and another Aventador SVJ, and they're both, one has an Overtech exhaust and one has the Gentani as well. There's a couple 296 GTBs, couple M3s, a lot of GT3s. There's GT3 RS down there as well. There's a 765 LT as well. Wow, this lineup's crazy now. But I promise I'm gonna get through all the cars in the video. I just want all the cars to arrive. Oh my God, there's also MC20 down there. Look at this. Naturally aspirated V12 with the Gentani. And then we've got GT3, and then right there, see that A12? That A12's got a Novotec exhaust on it. I gotta say this, I'm so excited for all these cars that are showing up. Like, oh my God, look at it, MC20.
Yeah, they're on Boston wheels, they've just been put on.
Hey, the car looks sick.
It's got the only
I was about to say, where's it from?
It's the 40 US, the first one in Europe. But it's not loud.
Oh yeah.
We'll do that one later.
I know they're not loud.
They're not loud, we'll have to spray them.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. The newer one.
2010. One second, I'm gonna bust my. Do it again then, bro. We got a dance battle, a noise battle between the A12 and the Mustang that just arrived. The Mustang, like it's an older model, it's a 2010. But yeah, they both sound incredible. I'm so excited, yeah. Okay, so there's two Revueltas parked up right next to each other, and I think I'm gonna let you decide in the comments which one do you prefer. Oh, it's absolutely packed. All right, cool. Apparently there's something going on and there's loads of people there, so I'm trying to get through everyone. But I'm here, we are back, baby. And yeah, let me stay on my own lane because everyone is moving closer to Tommy. And hey, I already know what's under there. Let me show you that. So they just revealed that they have a Strato here with a Castro wrap. And I already seen this due to I got a little inside information, but let me show you what it looks like. It's so sick. Wow! I'm gonna try to get a better angle, but it's a bit packed here right now. So this is my number one spot of the day. So the paint job on this car, actually, before I even show you the car, is worth £200,000. And I'm gonna show you right now. Boom. So this is a McLaren 765 LT with a two-tone paint job. As you can see right there, interior is absolutely stunning on this car. Okay gang, so a lot of the cars are starting to leave and it's getting very, very loud here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the end of the road, show you some of the cars that are leaving. Right now, a Performante, naturally aspirated V10. Oh, the car sounds beautiful. Anyway, say hello to my friend.
Listen, I don't know shit about cars. I don't know shit about cars, but all I know is they sound very good, very nice.
And the first to leave of the Porsches was the Dakar, and what else? And the Turbo 911 Turbo. Those are the first two Porsches to leave. Don't worry, there's plenty more cars. In fact, I haven't even showed you at least 50% of the cars that are here. There's an RS6 right here, C63 right here.
Don't worry, guys. Please be patient. Patience is key.
Patience is key. That's not what I'm waiting for though. I'm waiting for them V12s to come out. All the V12s, A12, the Aventadors, the Revueltas. So a lot of the cars are leaving now. One of them first is a Revuelta, so I'm gonna show you that. Oh, that looks so sick. My other GT4, Lamborghini Performante. Oh, he left way too early. He left way too early. The 430 V8 is about to go. Ooh. Oh, Ferrari. Oh, he's gonna launch it. Wait, can you launch an F4 there? Oh, he's gonna do some damage. Alright, 200 gram paint job is leaving. He said bye. No. Oh, there was an Audi Quattro. I didn't even see that. Subaru WXR. M4 Comp. Regular traffic. R35 GTR. Aventador SVJ. Hopefully he launches it. Aye, Gran Turismo in a sick, weird wrap, but I love it. This is one of the best sounding V8s in my opinion. And the Mustang leaving. 5-litre V8 Mustang, goodbye. GTB, but my favourite car of today actually has to be this. This is the F12. And honestly, in my opinion, this is still one of the best Ferraris ever made. I would take this over almost any of the latest Ferraris. I'd take this over an SF90 if I had the choice. Yeah, it's really cool. There's also an AMG GT, another GT3. This is right there. So yeah, there's like 3 R8s here. So I can't wait to see them. As you know, I'm a big R8 fan, so I can't wait for them to leave. There's still a lot of Lambos here, a couple Aston Martins. So yeah, that's gonna be really cool. I look forward to it all. Alright, and then we've got a couple nice Lambos left over. We have the, my head's gone blank, so the music's really loud here. We've got a Performante, we've got a Sterato, we've got an M4, we have a yellow Aventador SVJ, we've got a yellow Urus that's covered in Gumball 3000 vinyls, we have an RS6, we have a McLaren 765 LT that's left. And of course, we have probably the car everyone came here for, Tommy's Lamborghini Revuelto with a Gintani exhaust. This is a naturally aspirated V12. One of my favorite features of this car though has to be the exhaust pipes on here. So as you can tell, they are quad pipes, but that little shape over there, actually it was designed after a F. I'm not going to say the fighter jet. Fighter jets are not my thing, but yeah, it's designed after a fighter jet. And also, you can't forget the open engine bay. Right there, you can see that beautiful naturally aspirated V12. This car is actually amazing. I was never a big fan of it when it came out. I just thought it was over-hyped, you know. I just thought they took away from the beauty of Lamborghini. But now being around it, I think I like it a little bit more. Cool. Let me just check out a few other cars. So we got an R8, another R8, another R8, and another R8. So we got this one here. It's a really loud exhaust. This is the V8. And then we had V10 right here. Another V10, another V10. But this is one of the original V10s. This is the 5-litre V10, the same one that was in the Gallardo, or the Gallardo, however you pronounce it. Oh, and don't forget the Aston Martin. Ooh, the M4 is about to run away from us. What do you think of that? It's nuts, right? Oh, there we go. That's well. Nothing beats a naturally aspirated V12. You got no sound. Alright guys, that's basically a wrap here at the show. Shout out to Rap Sanctuary for hosting this for free for all these people to come out here and just enjoy some lovely cars. And then also shout out to Uri for the invite as well. I really appreciate the invite with the cars and stuff. So thank you Josh, we really appreciate what you've done today. And yeah man, that was amazing. A lot of exciting cars, obviously we got to enjoy them. But the show's not done. I'm about to head out, go grab some food, maybe go play some golf. That's how we're gonna end the day. But for now, yeah, this is it with the cars. Really appreciate you for being here and watching this. If you did like this video and you like all the cars here and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like my platforms in Instagram, TikTok. I post a lot of stuff there as well. So I really do appreciate everyone that's been on.